Hello. That's a good question, I say, as I hear you asking a sensible question. Well, by sensible I mean like really stupid, but... Duck Prince! Duck Prince! Duck Prince. Anyway, so getting back to your question, what was it? Something about clouds? Anyway, your question's stupid, so instead we'll do something else. Castles. Let's draw castles. Now for castles you're obviously going to need layers and folders, because otherwise who's going to defend your castle? Now you might need to break into the castle first, because otherwise how are you going to be like drawing it? So if you found this tutorial helpful, then good for you. That's good, because it was very helpful, so you should find it helpful. Now if you're struggling to get better at drawing castles, then you just need to rewatch this video like 10 to 15 times, I would say, in a day at first, and then gradually after 2 to 3 months you should start watching it like a bit more than that. I'd say about 60 times a day, and then once you've been doing that for about a year, just like practice every day, draw like 300 castles, and then you can like come back to me and ask the same question again, and I will tell you the next step. Okay, bye.